WordPress is the most popular website building platform in the world. It powers millions of websites across the internet. One of the biggest reasons for its popularity is that it's flexible enough for almost any type of project while remaining beginner friendly. People use WordPress to create business websites, blogs, or online stores. As your website grows, WordPress grows with it. It gives you access to thousands of themes and plugins that let you add new features whenever you need them. Once you log into your WordPress website, you will arrive at the dashboard. Think of it as the control center for your entire website. Everything you need to manage your content, appearance, and settings can be accessed from the menu on the left. You will notice sections like posts, pages, media, appearance, plugins, and settings. Posts are mainly used for publishing blog articles. Pages are designed for permanent content such as your home, about, services, or contact page. The media library stores every image, video, and document you upload. It makes it easy to reuse files whenever you need them. The appearance section controls your website's design. It allows you to switch themes and customize the overall look of your site. Plugins let you add new features without coding. The settings area contains important options such as your site title, time zone, and website URLs. At first, the dashboard may seem overwhelming, but after spending a little time exploring it, you will quickly become comfortable navigating between these sections. Now let's create your first page. Open the Pages section and click the button to add a new page. Give your page a title, such as About Us or Contact. WordPress uses the block editor, which makes creating content very simple. Every piece of content, whether it's text, an image, or a button, it is added as its own block. You can insert new blocks by clicking the plus icon and selecting the type of content you want to add. As you build your page, you will see how easy it is to rearrange blocks. You can edit text and create a clean layout without touching any code. Once you are happy with the page, simply click Publish to make it live on your website. Creating a blog post works almost the same way as creating a page. Instead of opening the Pages section, go to Posts and choose to add a new post. Give your article a title and begin writing your content using the same block editor. Before publishing, you can choose a category, add tags, and upload a featured image that will represent the article across your website. Publishing helpful blog posts on a regular basis is one of the best ways to attract visitors and keep your website active. Now that you have created some content, it's time to improve the appearance of your website. Navigate to the Themes section under Appearance and choose to add a new theme. WordPress offers thousands of free themes that you can install with just a couple of clicks. Once you have found a design you like, install it and activate it. Your website's appearance will change immediately. Don't worry if it doesn't look exactly how you imagined right away. Themes are designed to be customized, so we can continue adjusting the layout, colors, and other design elements until everything matches your vision. After activating a theme, you can begin personalizing your website. Most modern WordPress themes allow you to upload your own logo, change colors, or adjust fonts. You can edit your navigation menu and customize the header and footer without needing any technical knowledge. Take your time while making these changes. It's often better to keep your design clean and simple rather than filling every section with unnecessary elements. A clear layout makes your website easier to navigate and provides a better experience for your visitors. One of the biggest advantages of WordPress is its plugin ecosystem. Plugins allow you to add new features to your website without writing code. If you need a contact form, stronger security, or automatic backups, there is probably a plugin that can do the job. Installing one is straightforward. Visit the plugins section. Search for the feature you need. Install the plugin and activate it. While plugins are incredibly useful, try not to install more than necessary. Keeping only the plugins you actually use helps your website stay fast, secure, and easier to maintain. Before launching your website, spend a few minutes reviewing the main settings. Start by entering your website's title and tagline so visitors immediately understand what your site is about. Next, check your permalink structure to make sure your website uses clean, readable URLs. You will also want to verify that your time zone is correct, so scheduled content is published at the right time. Finally, decide what visitors should see when they first arrive on your website. You can display your latest blog posts or choose a custom homepage if you prefer a more traditional website layout. As you continue learning WordPress, remember that building a great website takes time. Focus on creating helpful content before worrying about advanced design features. Keep your WordPress installation, themes, and plugins updated, and regularly back up your website so we can recover quickly if something goes wrong. It's also a good idea to remove plugins and themes that you no longer use. This helps keep your website organized and can improve both security and performance. Most importantly, don't try to make everything perfect on your first day. Every successful website started with a simple first version and improved over time.